Hello. They say that it's good to have a devil advocate, meaning when you do everything and you review it with a friend, they will tell you that it's great. And it feels good, but not really useful. But if you have someone who can really critique what you've done, you have chances to improve it. Same idea is true for AI. You can give AI a role of your supporter or assistant to just then prepare information for you. But first of all, there are AI hallucinations, so it may not be accurate. Second of all, it will be like one opinion. But if you have another AI agent that plays the role of devil advocate, it will help you improve your writing more. So, as I said before, it's best to use AI for the areas where you're not good at. I also believe that AI plays a huge role in democratization of areas of life that may not be available or reachable to someone without years of education and experience. For me, there are two of such areas. One is taxes, and the other one is everything that's related to legal. And what I believe that yes, you need to go to professionals for both of those. You cannot fully rely on them because there are lots of bad accountants, tax advisors, and there are even more bad lawyers. Plus, it is very expensive, and the better the lawyers are, the more expensive it is. So today I will show you how to use AI in hypothetical law case. So first thing first, you have to know your stuff, right? And I will use ChatGPT 4.0, but I will not use a generic version. I will prepare my own agent, and I will feed it cases relevant to my hypothetical case. So my hypothetical case is a dispute between apartment owner and the strata corporation in British Columbia, Canada. So my steps are, I created 3 agents. First, I did my research and I found all the relevant cases in the specific jurisdiction. Then I loaded these cases to 3 agents and I gave each agent a role. I said, 1, you will be apartment owner advocate in this dispute. Other one, you will be strata, so my opposite advocate in this dispute. And the third one, you would be a judge. So this way I can ask, I have to read everything. I have to prepare my statements of fact by myself, and I will be as detailed as possible, but I will use a human language. And then I ask my legal assistant to assist me in flushing it down and putting legalese so it sounds more professional. Then I will ask my opposition to critique it as if it would be critiquing my case in the case of law. And then I will ask the judge to judge it. This way, I know my arguments, I know other party arguments, and I know approximately how they would be judged. Again, this is all for demonstration what AI can do. It's not a legal advice. Unfortunately, in North America, you have to put the disclaimers, microwave is not to dry your cat because your cat can die. AI is not to be used blindly as your legal professional because the advice may be relevant, maybe not relevant. Responsibility with you. So basically grow up, take responsibility. Let me show you what exactly step by step what I've done. So you can see, right, this is how I did it. I created 3 agents. One of them is legal assistant. And if I put edit, configure, right, you can see. So basically, I've been very particular of what I wanted to do. I wanted to be geographically relevant, and I wanted to be biased towards apartment owners in the disputes. Then I uploaded all the relevant documentation. This is the main, for my hypothetical case, the main is a law related to the Strata Corporation, Strata Management Act. So I upload this and upload lots of legal cases. Now, a bit how I found it. There is this awesome system, VLX, that has a free trial. I swear they don't pay me, but they help you to find cases. So basically by country, by territory. Also, you can put your keywords to find it. And when it does find it, where is it? It gives you issue and the head node, right? So it can, like for my area, strata fee disputes in British Columbia, I found like 62 cases. I cannot upload that much information to ChatGPT agent. So I have to be selected. I have to choose relevant ones. And this system, Vilex, helps you to do it. So anyway, I uploaded everything here. And then I created 2 more agents. One agent is a strata advocate, so it's my opposition. You need to be careful when you're uploading data to ChatGPT. It should be publicly available data, right? Because otherwise they will just close your agent, breaking their rules. But I told that again, that is where is it and what do they do and who they support. And I gave them other cases, right? In my search, I found, as I said, about 60 cases. In the 60 cases, I separated them at 3 groups, right? Because here you can only upload 20 documents. So I upload Strata Management Act to both of them because it's a law. And then I select the 20 cases that benefit apartment owners more and give it to my advocate. And then I selected cases that benefit strata more, and I gave it to the strata advocate. And then I created third one is a judge, right? Because I am not a professional advocate. And moreover, I am an immigrant, so I may not know logic like at all how it's judged. So again, I told them it is judge in which court, in which province, and I gave the judge agent a combination of different cases. So some cases won by owner, some cases won by strata. So this way my preparation is done. I created chats, right? So I created chat with my legal advisor. I wrote all the statements of fact as detailed as I can, and I asked it to give me the opinion. After that, I give this case, the one that just been written by my legal advisor, to the strata advocate, and they argued it. And let me find it. And then judge judges it. But I give it to strata advocate, and I told them, ask me as many questions and build your case against me. And then I gave both versions to the BC strata judge and asked them to judge it. And they judge, and they give me their judgment. Again, real judge may or may not do this, but it helps me preparing the documents that I will take to my lawyer so that they charge me a little bit less, and I also understand what you're doing. Next time, I will show you how to automate it, because actually with Microsoft Azure, you can automate and you can make several ChatGPT agents talk to each other without you copy pasting between chats.